We're at that fool's house. We're looking at my fucking dog, fool. Well, I didn't sneak in, but he like invited me over because for a barbecue or some shit. Or like, I don't know. I think somebody told him that I was mad about the dog thing or some bullshit. He was trying to say he was sorry or some shit. He tried to make it all heartfelt and shit. Bro, what's the last fucking... It's the last fucking dog this guy's gonna look at is gonna be a ghost dog. Fucking little bitch. Why don't they make these fucking things easier to load, fool? Fool, why is it so hard to... Fool. This is harder than actually shooting the gun, fool. Fuck, bro. Why did they make it so tough, bro? God damn, man. My hands are all greasy, bro. God damn, man. Fuck, I'm really bad at this, homie. Fool, maybe he deserves to live, bro, because this shit... Bro, people usually just hand me fucking weapons, bro. I can't... This is crazy, bro. What the fuck? Why the fuck is... Fuck it, he gets 4 then. Fuck him. That'll teach him to look at my fucking dog, bro. And then, if he survives, I'm gonna look at fucking his dog, bro. I'm gonna look at him for like an hour, dog.